can you really make $1 per survey? I guess we'll find out in today's video. Hey guys, so today we're going to test 5 surveys, which is actually a pretty unique survey platform. And we're gonna see how much / how quickly you can earn money from this platform. And by the way, if you just wanna see the final results and the payment proof, you can always skip to this timestamp. However, if you wanna learn more about the types of questions that they ask, what to expect, how you get paid, and things like that, make sure to continue watching this video. So what exactly is so unique about 5 surveys? So in case you're not familiar, 5 surveys is a platform that will pay you a flat fee of $5 for completing 5 surveys, which if you're familiar with the survey world, this is actually pretty generous. And I'm speaking from my personal experience because I've definitely done those super duper long surveys, and at the end I would get paid like peanuts.
What?
And that is why we like 5 surveys, because it's fair and square and straight to the point. $5 for 5 surveys, right? Okay, let's get off the counter. So here are the types of surveys that you can expect. And I do want to preface this with letting you know that I am based in the United States. And in today's video, I'm testing the US version. 5 surveys is available in other countries, but if you are not based in the US, your version might look slightly different from the one that I'm using today. Let's start with duration. So I noticed most of the surveys are usually between 5 to 15 minutes. However, I've also seen a few of them that were under and over, but it looks like the majority of them are within that 5 to 15 minute mark, which is actually not that bad. You're probably going to see a lot of questions such as, where do you normally shop? What is your favorite streaming service? What types of devices do you own in your household? And then I also did see a lot of political questions, which I guess has to do with the year, because I am filming this in 2024, which is the election year here in the US. So I did see a lot of surveys asking things like, do you identify more as a conservative or a liberal? Who are you planning on voting for in this year's election? Who did you vote for in the last election? And things like that. There were some surveys that would ask you to watch 2 different videos and tell them which one you agree with more, as well as things like what social media platforms you use the most to stay up to date with the news and everything else happening in the world. They will ask you some personal information, which mostly has to do with your demographics, such as, are you a male or female? What is the highest level of education you completed? What city / county you live in? How old you are? I was definitely asked a lot how old I was. Rude. Okay, I'm kidding. That's a pretty standard survey question. So once again, if you've done surveys before, you probably encountered those questions quite a bit. So in terms of how long this took me, so I actually ended up testing 5 surveys for the first time when I was at my dentist appointment yesterday. So I arrived 15 minutes early, and then my procedure didn't actually start until like 30 minutes after it was supposed to start. So I had about 45 minutes during which I was able to complete like 3 different surveys, and then I completed the 4th survey right after she gave me a shot, and I was waiting for my face to go numb. So pretty much I completed like 4 surveys while I was still at my dentist's office, which is honestly my favorite time to do surveys. They're perfect when you have some time to kill, when you're waiting on someone like your doctor or waiting in line and things like that. Which actually reminds me to remind you guys that surveys are not meant to replace your full-time job. That's just simply not what they're designed for. They're just more so a fun side hustle that you can do when you have additional time. Don't quit your job yet. All right, so I literally just got back from the dentist. I'm not sure if you can tell, but literally half of my face is still numb. We are gonna all get on a couch together, and we're gonna attempt to finish the last survey. Together forever.
A few moments later.
Looks like I just discovered another side hustle that you can do from your couch. Do you know how many complaints I have right now? 0. Okay, jokes aside, one thing I would say is trying to complete this last survey has been a little bit challenging because it looks like they don't have that many options at the end. I mean, they do still have plenty of surveys, but most of them don't have new reviews on them, so I guess they're brand new. And I'm just getting disqualified from a lot of them so far, but I'm gonna keep trying and see what happens. Yeah, because mama didn't raise a quitter. Okay guys, so this is me. I was finally able to find and finish the last survey, and it literally took me like 5 minutes, which really wasn't long at all once I finally found the survey that I qualified for. And so all in all, I finally hit my 5 surveys and I have $5 now. So let's claim it. I'm gonna do PayPal for my redemption and let's see how long it takes. Okay, it took me like less than 10 seconds to redeem my PayPal. So it's over here. I'll include the payment proof on the screen. So yeah, this was actually pretty cool and not that difficult at all. all. In terms of timing, I think when looking at timing, it took me all in all about an hour and a half to get to 5 surveys. And that is also considering I was literally getting a filling in my teeth in between that and, you know, getting my face numb. So yeah, really not that hard at all if you have extra time to kill, like when you're waiting for your doctor and things like that. So yeah, I guess that concludes the experiment. So all in all, I can say it's probably like the easiest $5 that I've ever made. It definitely wasn't that difficult. A very important thing is make sure that you are keeping your integrity.
Be honest.
Because if you're not giving genuine answers, survey platforms are very good at figuring that out. So for example, I've noticed there would be a lot of questions that would test if you're still paying attention. And by that, I mean, if you're actually reading the questions, you know, it's not going to be that hard. So for example, some of them would ask you just basic math, like, you know, what is 2 plus 2? Everybody knows it's 4, but if you're not paying attention, you were selecting, let's say like 6, it's going to know that you're not paying attention. It will most likely disqualify you. So definitely make sure you're paying attention because a lot of these questions can come up towards the end of the survey, and you know, if you get disqualified towards the end, you're gonna lose all the work that you did. So make sure that you're keeping your integrity. Now, in terms of the pros and cons, here are the things that I really liked about 5 surveys. First of all, I do think they overall have a very friendly user interface. I felt like both the app and the web version were very easy to use. I also like how they always have such a variety of different surveys, and most importantly, I like that you can see the approximate time duration as well as the user reviews. I also like that there is no minimum payout. Well, obviously after you complete the 5 surveys, because that's the whole point of the platform. But what I mean by that is some of the platforms that I've tested in the past would take so long for you to like hit that minimum threshold. Like sometimes it would take days and days before you can actually cash out your money. But with 5 surveys, it literally only took me an hour and a half. And just to piggyback on that, another thing that I really like is how quick the payout was. Literally took me less than 10 seconds to claim my reward and for it to hit my PayPal account. So yeah, very easy. They don't make you jump through hoops and everything to get paid, which is really awesome. Now, in terms of areas of improvement, I did feel like that 5th survey, like the last one, was a little bit hard to complete. I felt like I kept getting disqualified from surveys quite a bit, but again, that was just my experience. I'm actually curious if you've tested 5 surveys. What was your experience like with that last survey? Let me know in the comments down below because I'm definitely super curious. So all in all, I do think this was a really fun side hustle, very easy, very quick to get paid, which is also why I'm so glad that 5 surveys has decided to partner with me in this video. So if you want to test it as well, make sure to use my link in the description down below. And with that said, if you like this video, I think you're going to enjoy this one as well. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.